gerund or infinitive. شنو هو الجواب الصحيح؟ واش gerund اللي هو ing form او لا infinitive اللي هو to plus a verb. هاد الدرس هذا غادي نشوفوا مجموعه ديال الجمل اللي غادي نختاروا واش غادي نستعملوا gerund او لا غادي نستعملوا infinitive، وكذلك غادي نقول لكم علاش. يعني غنعطيكم القاعده اللي غادي توضح لكم علاش اختارينا gerund ما اختارناش infinitive او العكس. Welcome to develop. كيف سبق لي قلت لكم اليوم غادي نشوفوا واحد اكزرسايز اللي غادي نديروا فيه choose the correct answer، يعني اختاروا الجواب الصحيح واش ing form او لا infinitive عن طريق مجموعه ديال الجمل، يعني practice exercise. Let's start with the first one. Studying or to study English is more difficult than people think. يعني فينا هو الجواب الصحيح؟ و studying English is more difficult than people think أو لا to study English is more difficult than people think. you can يعني نعطيكم هاد السكوند هادو باش تفكروا. then compare your answer with mine. الجواب الصحيح هو studying English is more difficult than people think. غادي نشوفوا الجمله الثانيه ومن بعد نعطيكم القاعده علاش اختارينا هنايا ing form ما اختارناش the infinitive. making or to make cakes is easy, but making or to make a cake you need the right ingredients. يعني هنا عندنا نختاروا واش infinitive او لا gerund in the two parts in the same sentence. Now you can think, then I will give you the right answer. Making cakes is easy, but to make a cake you need the right ingredients. يعني هنايا في الأول اختارينا gerund، في التالي اختارينا the infinitive form. علاش؟ This is the rule. The ing form focuses on the activity. يعني عندنا studying or making يعني كنركزوا على activity. The infinitive form focuses on the objective or what you have to do to achieve. يعني داكشي اللي تختارنا في البارت الثانيه في الجمله. to make a cake you need the right ingredients. داكشي اللي اختارينا the infinitive form. يعني ing form كيركز على the activity، infinitive كيركز على the objective. شنو هو الهدف؟ Let's move to the next sentence. Before using or use it you need to attach the headphone. يعني فينا هو الجواب الصحيح؟ واش before using it you need to attach the headphones or before use it you need to attach the headphones. This is the right answer. Before using it you need to attach the headphones. Let's move to the next sentence, then I will give you why we choose here the gerund. يعني ندوزو نشوفوا السنتنس for ومن بعد غادي نعطيكم القاعده علاش اختارينا هنا gerund ما اختاريناش the infinitive. Thank you for your help in solving this problem. Which one is correct? This is the right answer. Thank you for your help in solving this problem. يعني فهادو بجوج اختارينا ing form. يعني كل قاعده كنحاول ما امكن نعطيكم مجموعه ديال لي sentences باش تكون الفكره واضحه. And this is the rule. يعني علاش اختارينا in these both sentences the ing form. Use the ing form immediately after before, after, by, about, on, for, in, to, etc. يعني هادو ضروري خاصكم تعقلوا عليهم لانه دائما كتبعهم ing form. Use the ing form immediately after, before, after, by, about, on, for, in, to etc. يعني دابا فهمنا علاش اختارينا the ing form. Let's move to the next one. If you need any further details, do not hesitate to contact or contacting me. Which one is correct here? This is the right answer. If you need any further details, do not hesitate to contact me. يعني هنا اختارينا the infinitive form. Let's move to see the next one, then I will give you why we choose here the infinitive form, not the ing form. It's easy using or to use. If you like, I will show you how to use one. Which one is correct? Using or to use? The right answer is it's easy to use. If you like, I will show you how to use one. هنا أيضا اخترنا the infinitive form. Why we choose in these both sentences the infinitive form, not the ing form? And this is the rule. Use the infinitives generally after adjectives and with how. يعني دائما كنختاروا the infinitive form من بعد how وكذلك من بعد the adjectives كما واضح هنايا in these both sentences. يعني اللي لاحظتوا هنايا عندنا how to use one. إلا رديتوا على البال how to use one. هنايا عطيتكم اختيارات using or to use. easy is an adjective, hesitate is an adjective. دائما كنتبعوهم the infinitive form. how أيضا كنتبعوها بد infinitive form. This rule you should remember by heart. Let's move to the next sentence. Most people enjoy spending or to spend time with their family. Which one is correct? I will give you the right answer. Most people enjoy spending time with their family. Why we choose here ing form, not the infinitive form? I will give you the rule. Use the ing form after verbs that express how much we enjoy or enjoyed something. Example like love, hate, enjoy. كنتمنى انه الامور تكون واضحه. يعني انا عطيتكم 7 ديال لي سنتنسز، 7 ديال الجمل توضيحيه باش تفهموا. كذلك عطيتكم 4 ديال القواعد. ما بقى لي غنقول لكم see you soon ان شاء الله. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. Bye.